Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can see the volume in TradingView, so let's get right into it. So TradingView is a very useful tool which you can use to track options, stocks, and so on and so forth. You can check them in your watch list to see the last known value or price. You can see the changes in the value of those stocks. You can also select them and view their charts to see how their prices went in the previous period of time which you select. You can also trade stocks if you are connected to a broker such as Pepperstone, as you can see down here, and you can also modify these charts by adding indicators, which are pretty much tools which modify your charts a bit, show you some more information which could be useful to you to make decisions or predictions in the market. Now, to actually add indicators, and make sure or rather keep in mind that you need a premium account to have more than 3 indicators. Free accounts are limited to just 3, so keep that in mind and make sure you have enough space. And yeah, to add indicators, what you want to do is go into the indicator button, and once you're here, you will be able to view scripts, community scripts, financials, technicals, and so on and so forth. The technicals are the indicators that you want, and let's say you want to add the volume. You can add a 24-hour volume, as you can see here. However, if we just type in volume, you have a lot of options. And as you can see, the volume indicator is one of them. Just click on it and it will be added to your chart. As you can see here, you can view the volume pretty easily, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.